What's up everyone? Welcome to day 3 of the Iimprovise challenge. By now you should be comfortable with the question and answer method. And today you will work on this even more and you will also learn a different scale and use a different backing track. The scale you're gonna learn in this lesson is the major pentatonic scale. This is the last scale you need for this challenge, unless you wanna push yourself a bit more, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get started immediately and let me show you how to play the G major pentatonic scale. 3, 4. By the way, I have an entire tutorial just on this scale, so if you want to dive deeper into it, check out this video on my channel. Now you know the scale, and I think you know what the next step is going to be. Playing the scale over the backing track. 3, 4. Going back. Like I told you before, this backing track is different from the one you used last week, and there are some chord changes happening, but you don't have to worry about this. So your goal today is to come up with a question and 4 answers, but this time you have to use a new scale. The process to do this is the same as the one used in lesson 1 and lesson 2, and so if you need to revise it, watch those videos. But before I show you a demonstration of the assignment, I want to teach you one trick. Start your licks on the offbeat. By offbeat, I mean, you know when you count and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, but when you want to subdivide this more, you count 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. These ends are on the offbeat. If you start your lick on the offbeat, it's gonna sound cooler. Let me improvise using the backing track and I will show you what I mean by starting the lick on the offbeat. But just so you know, you don't have to do this for your assignment. So let's start using a few notes from the scale you learned today. And let's start on the offbeat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and. You don't always have to start after the 1. In fact, let me show you something else. 1 and 2 and 3 and. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, now let me demonstrate your assignment. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, by the way, I can imagine that changing the scale for this lesson can be tricky, but I really wanted you to experience more than just one scale in this challenge. Your assignment for today is to record 1 question and 4 answers with the backing track I was using. If you feel that you want to challenge yourself more, you can also try to start your licks on the offbeat. Visit my link in bio or the description, depending on where you're watching this, to access all the material that you need for this lesson. This is completely free, by the way. Remember to tag me at ukulelelovers1 in your stories or posts so that I can see your assignment. And don't forget to use the hashtag at Iimprovise so that you can win a really cool Kala Archtop tenor ukulele. I will reshare your work in my stories and I will also give you personalized feedback. Having said that, I'm looking forward to your assignments and I'll see you soon with the 4th lesson of this challenge. Ciao!